So I just wanted to come and do a quick follow-up video for my Banana Cashew Skillet Cakes, and also it's served with leftover fried pork steak. So how I made these is that I mashed one banana and I crushed up some cashews, and then what I decided to do was add a little bit of Bisquick. And so I added Bisquick and a little bit of milk, and then also just a little tap of butter, and then also some cinnamon. And so I just mashed it all together and mixed it all together, and then oiled the skillet, and then just dropped them in. It's like mini little pancakes, so to speak. But they don't have any eggs in them, so I just call them skillet butter cashew cakes, banana cashew cakes, I should say. And so, yeah, and so that's what I did, just to serve them up as pancakes. And then what I did was I grabbed some of the leftover pork steak that I fixed for them last night, and then just decided to just pair it up. So it's kind of like not a pork chop pancake type of expression, but yeah, it is. Just a little dish that my mom just, she simply loved the cakes. And so that's why I'm actually making a video of these. And I'll have a recipe in the description of even how I made the pork steak that's left over. So you can avail yourself to that video, but I just wanted to come and share these.